Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money online with Western Union in 2026.
So here's how to send money with Western Union, and it's actually really simple and only takes a few minutes. So first, open the Western Union app or go to the website, then log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up. Next, tap Send Money and choose the country where you want to send the money. Enter the amount and you'll see the fees and exchange rate before continuing. After that, choose how the receiver will get the money, either through bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet depending on their location. Now, enter the receiver's full name exactly as it appears on their ID to avoid any problems during pickup. Then choose your payment method like debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Finally, review all the details and tap Send. Once the transfer is complete, you'll get an MTC and tracking number. Share that with the receiver so that they can track or claim the money easily.